Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install AutoCAD. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Autodesk site. Once you're on the Autodesk homepage, go to the top menu and click on Products. Click on the Products and select AutoCAD. This will take you to the AutoCAD product page. Now, click on the Download Free Trial button. Next, Autodesk will ask you how you plan to use the software. For this example, I'm choosing home use. Autodesk will ask for some additional personal information. This may include your country or region, industry you're in, and your job role. At this point, Autodesk may also ask you to verify your phone number. Once that's done, you'll land on the Download Setup page. Choose your version. The latest 2026 version is selected by default. Then click Install Now or Download. Once it's done, click Start AutoCAD. And that's it, AutoCAD is now installed and ready to use. You'll need to restart your computer once the installation is complete. If this helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more tutorials on AutoCAD, design tools, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching.